Hey, it's Mr. Peace. How's it going, Boris Chargers, my California family? It's so amazing to see all of you, even though it's only virtual. I wish it was in person. But I'm here at my home in Michigan, and I'm with one of our 3 dogs, Bear Bones Jones III. He's chilling in the background there. Bear, say hi to everybody, please. Okay. But today, for this episode of Motivational Monday, I wanted to focus on a super important character trait, and that deals with patience. And who better to teach us about patience than dogs, right? Especially this one back here. He's taught me so much about being patient, right? I mean, he's patient every time that he's about to get fed. He's patient to go outside. He's patient every time I leave the house and sometimes don't come back for hours, and he's waiting and waiting and waiting for me. And he's super patient when it comes to going on a walk. But don't say that too loud. But Bear is so patient, right? All these dogs, they are so patient. And I think to myself, how can they be so patient? And it's really because of something called unconditional love, right? Love without any conditions, that he's willing to wait a little bit longer for some of these things that he loves to do because he loves me that much. That even if I'm running a little bit behind, I'm a little bit late, I'm a little bit tired, that he's not going to hold that against me, right? He's still going to be patient with me out of a space of love, unconditional love, love without any conditions. So how can we apply that to our own lives? Number 1, we can be more patient with ourselves. So many times when we get something wrong, or we mess up with something and make a mistake, or somebody else is, faster than me, or they're getting the lesson a little bit quicker than me, sometimes we don't really feel that we can do something, and we're not so patient with ourselves. But we can show ourselves more patience by showing ourselves more self-love, right? Being more patient, number 1, with ourselves. Number 2, we can be patient with others. So I know having to stay at home for a lot of us, being inside these closed walls 24/7, we can get a little impatient with our family members, right? Some people can get on our nerves. It's just natural. But when we know and start to realize that all of us are doing our best, and that deep down we love these people and that they love us, we can choose to show them more patience, right? Being patient with others, number 2. And number 3, we can also be more patient with this world, right? With society. It seems like every day there's a new rule that's coming on board, and it's frustrating because we wish we could just be doing everything like we used to be doing and go back to normal, right? But we need to be patient. We need to know that all these rules that are coming out, that they're all to make us more safe, so make sure that we don't hurt ourselves or others. And so they're really out of a space of love, right? And so when we understand that, we can be more patient with the situation that's going on in the world today. So try putting patience into practice today by thinking about what our 4-legged friends teach us about really showing that patience through love. Number 1, with ourselves. Number 2, with others. And number 3, with this world. Remember, you guys are beautiful. M for Michigan. No, also M for miracles. You guys are all beautiful miracles. Until next time, peace. Bear, where'd you go?